Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh, sounds like school just started. This is Mrs. Valama's YouTube channel, and this is where you can find all kinds of things. Maybe we'll do our calendar here. You might see some cool videos. This is where you can come, even if you don't have anything to do, and you can come and watch some videos. So today, we are going to read a story, and this story is called Not a Box. That looks like a box to me. Let's figure this out. This story is called Not a Box by Antoinnette Portis. Not a box. You see it there? I think that's a box. Oh, he's over here. Look at this. Two children everywhere sitting in cardboard boxes. Do you ever do that? I know I did. Why are you sitting in a box? There he is. It's not a box. It's a race car to him. Do you see that number there? What number is that? Yeah, 15. What are you doing on top of that box? What do you think he's doing, guys? Ladies, what do you think he's doing? I'm gonna guess. I think he's winning an award. Let's see. No, I was wrong, and that's okay. It's not a box. Rabbit Peak. He's on top of a mountain. I love to go hiking. He must have taken a hike to get there. Why are you squirting a box? Uh-oh, it's gonna get soggy. Ew, what a mess. Let's see. I said, it's not a box. Oh, look. Do you ever pretend to be something that you're not? Something that you could be in the future? Like a firefighter? Now you're wearing a box. Oh, I know. Starts with an R, I think. Ends with a T. That's my guess. I was right. I love it when that happens. This is not a box. He's a robot bunny. Robot bunny, hop, hop. Are you still standing around in that box? What's he doing here? I don't know. It's not a box. Look at all the things he did. He was a pirate on a pirate ship. He was in a hot air balloon, riding on top of an elephant, being pulled in the ocean on a boat. Well, what is it then? Do you have any guesses? Let's hear them. Maybe. Could be. What do you think? I couldn't hear you. Say it again. Oh, let's see. It's my not a box. Anywhere he wants to go in that rocket ship. And off he goes. That's the end of this story. Not a Box by Antoinnette Portis. Well, Team B, Thanks so much for joining me here today, and I can't wait to see you again. But we need to end with our secret handshake. Do you remember it? Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. And at the end, you could do a heart. Sometimes I do that. Let's try it again. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. See you next time, guys and girls. Have a great day.